An Islamic state is a form of government which is based on Islamic law. As a term, it has been used to describe various historical polities and theories of governance in the Islamic world. As a translation of the Arabic term dawlah islāmiyyah, it refers to a modern notion associated with political Islam. The concept of the modern Islamic State has been articulated and promoted by ideologues such as Muhammad Omar, Abul Ala Maududi, Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini, Israr Ahmed, Sayyid Qutb Hassan al-Banna. Implementation of Islamic law plays an important role in modern theories of the Islamic State, as it did in classical Islamic political theories. However, the modern theories also make use of notions that did not exist before the modern era. Today, many Muslim countries have incorporated Islamic law, wholly or in part, into their legal systems. Certain Muslim states have declared Islam to be their state religion in their constitutions, but do not apply Islamic law in their courts. Islamic states which are not Islamic monarchies are usually referred to as Islamic republics. The first Islamic state was the political entity established by Muhammad in Medina in 622 CE, under the Constitution of Medina. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.